Did you know there's a cordless inflator that can pump up 8 queen-size mattresses on a single USB charge? Or a tiny impact wrench with enough power to fix your car? Today we unlocking the coolest cordless tools that are changing the game for professionals and dyers alike. And trust me, you're going to want these in your toolkit: inflators and impact tools. Whether you're camping, traveling, or working off-grid, this is a total lifesaver. It delivers 305 Newton meters of torque while staying light in your hand, perfect for tight spaces and long repair sessions. Hey everyone, welcome back to Automated Word, your ultimate tech and tools channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of compact, cordless tools that pack a serious punch. Whether you're into woodworking, car repair, construction, or just like having next-gen gadgets around the house, this list is for you. It's the kind of tool you don't know you need until you use it once, and then you can't work without it. Let's kick off with the Roby Cordless Inflator. It's lightweight, USB rechargeable, and powerful enough to inflate 8 full-size air mattresses on one charge. It can drive nails into concrete and steel, and comes with a 20-year warranty. That's serious commitment. It has a built-in bubble level, laser level, stud detector, and even an LED work light, all packed into one sleek drill. Then there's the Milwaukee Compact Impact Wrench, small in size but a beast in performance. And then there's the Laser Liner Power Ross 8G, a laser level so accurate and smart, you can control it from your phone. If you're into DIY or construction, this will seriously step up your game. Ideal for power outages or late-night projects. Smart lanterns and multi-tools saves time, reduces waste, and improves accuracy. Next up is the Skills Collapsible Lantern. It gives you full 360-degree lighting for up to 9 hours and charges via USB-C. No batteries, no hassle. The Spider Pro Tool Holster System lets you access and secure your gear one-handed. Attach multiple tools to your belt, move faster, and work safer. The Tap Buddy is another genius tool. It drills, taps, lubricates, and clears chips, all in one motion. Precision meets tech, in fact. It often means smarter, faster, and more efficient. Watch this next video on the first real AI-powered handyman tools. It'll blow your mind. And whether you're a weekend warrior or a pro on the job site, investing in these kinds of tools can change the way you work forever. Let's talk smart features. The Dremel Blueprint DD12V drill is like a mini assistant. And don't forget to subscribe to Automated Word for more tech-powered productivity. Heavy-duty and industrial tools for the big jobs. Check out the Hilti DX2 power fastening tool. The NS32 pneumatic impact wrench is another underrated beast. It's designed for tight spots, but still delivers professional-grade torque and control. It's ergonomic and multifunctional tools. One of the coolest tools we've seen is the MakerPi Fractal Vise. Its jaw design adjusts automatically to grip irregular shapes without damaging your work. The ClickSet multi-tool also deserves a mention. It combines pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, and even a mini saw, all in a pocket-sized package. Specialized but versatile tools. Specialized doesn't mean limited. Nipex DPT50, for instance, cuts and bevels plastic pipes in one go. The Blue Spruce Chisel, made from cryogenically treated steel, is a dream for detail woodwork. Razor sharp, durable, and a joy to hold. Storage and portability done right. And of course, what good are all these tools if they're not easy to carry? From cordless drills that do everything to smart inflators and industrial-grade fasteners, these tools prove that small and portable doesn't mean weak. If you found a new favorite from this list, smash that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Want to see how AI is entering the construction and repair industry?